Alright, here we have August 16, 2018. This is the Math 8 solutions. Alright, so we have here the instructions said translate the triangles 4 unit right and 3 unit down. What are the coordinates of the next image? Okay, so I'm going to grab this into Paint, right, to work better. Alright, so it says here, it says 4 units to the right, so x is going to be plus 5 because that is what they write. Okay, anything left to right is on the x-axis. That's why we x plus 5 that. Then, comma. Okay, let's put that in our parentheses. 3 units down. Down is in the y-axis, so I can make that purple. Y is going to be 3 units down, so that's minus 3. Alright, close the parentheses there. Alright, there you go. So let's do that. Okay, so I have this point originally. Okay, then it goes down 5, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it goes down 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the new point of J. So J prime, that's the new J, that is in the X, looks like that is 4. And in the Y, that looks like 0. Okay. Oh, that's really bad. Okay. Alright. And let's do that for this K here. Again, X is going to plus 5, so we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go down 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is your new point for K. So we call that K prime. And that point is 4, comma. The Y value here is negative 2. Good. Okay. Let's grab the L here. So that is 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the new image for L prime. So L prime is 1. Oh. Okay. The new value for L. So right here, the X value is 1. And the Y value is negative 2. Good. There you go. Right? So the new triangle, if you would like to see it, looks like this. Let me make that red for you. There you go. Then it goes this. Right? Then it goes like this. Perfect. Okay? So these are your new coordinates. Okay? That is the answer for that one. Let me grab this off. Let me grab this for you here. Okay, and I could paste it as the solution here. Okay, I think I have it here. Yep. Okay. All right. That should match. Let's double check that. J prime. Oh. Let's match that really quick. Okay. Let's see. Can we sneak that in? Let's do that like this. Okay. Right. L 1 negative 2. Good. K prime 4 comma negative 2, and J is 4 0. Perfect. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's do the next one. Oh. Here it asks us to again translate the figure 2 units to the left and 4 down. What are the coordinates of that image? Again, we're going to do that as before. Let's grab that image, demonstrate that in Paint. Okay. So here it says 2 units left and 4 units down. Let's see what that means. So 2 units left. So to the left, that is subtracting y, right? Minus y. So x is gonna minus 2. Okay. And 4 units down, which is going to be down, which is y. The subtract of y. I'm gonna write that. Let's do that in purple. Y minus 4. Okay. Good. All right. So from here, let's do that. Okay, let's grab this value here. So D is right here. We're gonna go uh, 2 down. So I can do that. Okay, you see how it goes down 2? 1. Oop, let's make that blue. Subtract x, subtract 2. That's 2 to the left. 1, 2. Then 4 down. So it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Good. So it's this point here. Right? So it was this point here. This is our new d prime, and that looks like -3, comma y would be -4. All right. Next, let's grab a. Go 2 to the left. 1, 2. Then 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. So it's this point now. This point is, let's make that red for you to see it. That point is call our a prime because that is our new a value. We're going to call that -3, comma 0. All right. B. Okay. 2 to the left. 1, 2. 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, that's a new point. So this is called B prime, and that looks like 0 in the x and -1 in the y. Okay, then that's next one. Let's do the C. C is 2 to the left. 1, 2. Purple, go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2. So it was right here. Okay, we're going to call that C prime because that's our new C value, and that looks like 1. That looks a bad parentheses. 1, and that is -4. Perfect. And let me just connect it. Let me make the new object brown so you could see it much better. Okay, so that was okay. Good. There you go. So that's that new object. Okay, the red is the pre-image and the brown shape is the image afterwards. Okay. Okay, there you go. And that is us checking. So it should have those. Okay, it should have these. Right. Let's see. Let's just double check to make sure it's right. A prime, -2, 0, good. B prime is 0, -1. C prime, 1, comma, -4, good. D prime, -3, comma, -3, comma, something's off, something's off. I have -4 here and -5 here. Let's double check this. This is 4. Let's see if I could do the math real quick right here. So 4 down. So what was the original value for D -1? So it's 4 down. Oh yeah, this is right. This should be 5. Yep. We corrected our own mistake. This should be 5. Okay. Because look, right here, that's 5. Okay, good, right? So again here, I was just doing the algebra. Here I did it via the graph, okay? So you could do it the visual part or you could do the abstract here. Okay, either way makes sense for your brain. Alright, next, let's look at this, okay? What does describe this translation, okay? So 3 comma negative 2 is the original image. Then it goes to 1 comma 0. So what happened? Alright, so this was your pre-image, so I'm going to make that red. And this is your new image point, which is going to be blue. Notice I have to subtract 2. Okay, this is the subtract 2. I had to subtract 2. Okay, and that is being done to the x value. Okay, next, this was the original y value. Then it became 0. Good, right? And so, but to get that to 0, I had to add 2. Right? I had to add 2 to the y value. Add 2 to the y value. Okay. This process of subtracting 2 to the y value, that is this, right? The x value is subtract 2, then add 2 to the y value is this. So in our equation, the rule would be x, right? I can do that right here. X, subtract 2, and y, I have to add 2. Good? Okay. Set this up to make this make more sense to you. Alright. Okay. Next we have this. So let's grab this image and work in Paint. Okay. Let's delete this. Okay. Right. So they're asking us to describe the rule. So something's happening, okay? So something's happening. So let's do this, okay? Right. So from here to here, okay? So what's happening? Let's go. Make this green. So what's happening in the x direction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it seems like I went 6. So x, I went right. I went right 6 times. Okay. Then let's purple this. Then I went down. So 1, 2, 3. Then I went down 3. Let's see if this also works, okay? Let's check again. Let's do this point here. Here to here. Okay? So it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Then did it go down 3? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So this is a valid rule. Okay? This is the valid rule. Okay? So that's the valid rule. So what does right 6 mean and down 3 mean? Okay? We're asking what is right 6, down 3 mean? So what that means is I'm moving to the right how many times? 6 times. And I'm going down how many times? 3 times. Okay? Again, right here, I showed it to you. Right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that is the rule. If you want to write this in the rule format, it should have been x plus 6. Okay. And down 3 is y subtract 3. There you go. That's how it looks like in the rule format here. Let's do 20. Okay. So here, what happened here? Looks like I'm going from here to here. So I go, let's do in the x direction first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x went to the right. Sorry. Right. How many times? I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went 5 right 5 times. Then how many did I go up? 1, 2. So I went up 2. Okay? This process, right? What does right 5 and up 2 mean? Right 5 means, okay, move right 5 times and up 2. So what that looks like, okay, is in rule format. right? Right is positive, so that's plus 5. And up to, which is positive in the y direction, so y plus 2. That's how that would look like in rule format. Alright, let's grab the next problem. Right, it's the Fisher problem. Okay, it says describe the translation of the school of fish. So let's grab this image. We can work in paint here. Right. Okay. So it goes from here, F. It starts from F, then it goes to D. Okay, because this is the fish. Right. So what happened here? Let's grab blue. Let's grab red this time. So it went in the X direction. Let's see how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So X. So it went right 5 times. Then I'll make purple to go up. Then it went up 1 time. Okay. So what that means? Right 5, up 1. Right. That is right 5, then up 1. That looks like so X plus 5, comma up 1, y plus 1. Okay, you see this process? Right, that is the rule for that one. The next question asks us to, can the boat do the same transformation? Ooh, hold on. Give me a second here. Okay. So can the boat, which is right here, do the same transformation? Okay. What's in the box is the transformation. In that orange box is the transformation. Can this boat here do the same thing? Let's see. Okay, here's the boat. Can it go right 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop! It hits the land. Nope, it crashes right into the land. Do you see how it hits the land piece here? So we would say no, because moving 5 to the right, it will hit land. Next, it says describe a transformation the boat could make to get to the position of D. So it has to somehow not hit the land. Okay, so what it could do is it can do the y direction first. So it can go up 1, 2, 3, 4. It can go up 4. Then it can go right 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can go right 4. Right. This process, there you go. It has to go up 4 up first, then 4 to the right. That is the transformation the boat can take for to work. There you go.